Alright, finally got the camera working, and I think I'm going to do a video on the A5 about how to change the barrel and the stock. So yeah. So the first thing you want to do, alright, well, we're going to start with the barrel. First thing you're probably going to want to do is take the hopper off, just twist that and pull it off, just because, I mean, I guess you don't really have to, but it'll help. The next thing you want to do is take these two things off. And, well, today for the barrel, I'm going to install the Flatline barrel. And for the stock, I'm going to install this Trinity stock. I forget the full name, but it's nice. It's called the Trinity. So, alright, so for the barrel, so you have your A5 with the default barrel on. You're just gonna, oops, that's the wrong Allen key. Take the small Allen key. I don't know what size it is exactly. I'm gonna go to the left, lefty-loosey, and take out, the screws you're gonna take out are this one, this one, this one, and this one. It's really not that hard to do this. And don't be afraid that you're gonna like lose parts of your gun. As long as you have them next to you, you probably won't lose them. And don't be afraid that you won't be able to put your gun back together, because the A5 is really not that hard. You can easily field strip this gun quickly to clean it, you know. Whatever you want to do. Alright, so let's keep going. And then for the one that you're gonna have to use the big Allen key above the grip, you're gonna have to be careful with this one, because this also connects the cyclone feed hopper thing. And then there's one more, a small, now that's out. So now you're going to take your sight here. Well, I mean, since I'm putting on the Flatline barrel, you're going to take your sight off right there. Set that to the side, don't lose it. And then your barrel, once you tighten your barrel into this, it should, if you twist it to the right and pull it off, it should come off just like that. And then your Flatline barrel, just go right that, stick it in to the sight, goes to the right, and you're gonna twist it back up. Then there's actually a little cap, so that you take this thing, you're gonna put that right in here. So that blocks that off, so you don't get any dirt in there. And you're going to put your screws back in. Tighten them up. Oops. Alright. Now you can just fast forward through the screws. I'm just going to tighten the screws up. make sure that when you put your big Allen key screw in, make sure that the cyclone feed is connected onto the gun right, so that when you screw in the Allen key, everything fits tight together like it should be, and not hanging like one side. You don't want one side hanging off, or the screws not to really be thread in all the way. Take that off. Great one. Alright. So then I have one more. Tighten that. And pretty much done with the Flatline barrel. So now, since you took this sight off, you can still use the sight from here to here. And I'm just gonna put the hopper back on, and we'll go to the stock. Alright, so for the stock, I'm gonna attach this. You don't really need any Allen keys here. You're just gonna pop these push pins out like that. Just pull them right out the back. And keep your finger on the back here, because it'll spring out, and you'll have this spring right here with a pin in it. So to get your stock ready, you're going to put the spring, like there's a hole in there. You have to make sure that spring gets in that hole. Get that in there. You're going to take your stock. There's a hole in the stock there. The pin should go in that. And then you should just be able to push that down. Take your pins, you're going to put them back through. And I dropped it. Alright, that's one. And it can be hard putting the pins in, but they're in. That's the stock. And then if you're looking forward, right, so you can still see the sight. Alright, and if you're looking forward to getting this gun, I do have a review on my channel. You can watch the review, see if you want to get this gun. I would advise getting the Flatline in this stock. The only problem with my stock is, must be some problem with it, but like from the factory, some default that it probably came with. So when you shoot, the stock collapses for some reason. So you might have the gun up on somebody, you shoot, and the stock will collapse. And I don't know how to fix that. But I mean, I still recommend the stock in the barrel. Most likely your stock won't collapse like mine. But that's pretty much it. And then make sure you don't lose your parts here. Everything should be nice and tight together. And that's it. Thanks for watching.